Hello, my name is Jessica, and I am here to introduce our community asset that we'll be focusing on in our program, which is under empowerment. It is asset number 7, and it is community values youth. This asset involves helping children feel valued and appreciated by adults in their community. And next, I will discuss how self regulation will be a part of our program and how it relates to the developmental asset of community values youth. So, the Flower Power program will aim to help members develop personal and social skills, which will aid in their development of self regulation through the opportunity to give back to their community. The program will support its members through tasks that we go through each week, either during our meetings at our recreation center or out in the community planting our flowers. And we will be helping them through any accompanying stress that comes from these activities. To help through this, we'll have physical activity and social interaction, and the results of their hard work, that children will have the feelings of empowerment when they see and feel the positive effects that they can have in their community. This is important to give the children the opportunity and skills to manage their stress in order to build self-regulation early on in their life. This will result in more motivated and confident individuals that will continue to grow with these attributes into well-rounded adults. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Natalie Mbui, and our program is called Flower Power. Our meeting base would be at a Niagara Region Children's Services Center, and our plan implementation would be at other location. This program involves children learning about horticulture, where they will have the opportunity to plant gardens throughout the city, outside of schools, recreation centers, parks, and stores. And we will also provide opportunities for them to explore and care for and interact with the natural world to help strengthen these connections for them. And children will be encouraged to learn about different types of plants, how to maintain them, and how to maintain them over the seasons. One of the goals for this program is to make children feel like they can make a difference in the community and feel valued by the adults in the community. Research suggests that connecting to the natural world will contribute to children's mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual health and overall well-being. And educators can play a role in supporting mental health and well-being for families and for children by connecting them with the community by having organizations and integrating practices that support resilience.
My name is Blessing Ogunlaja. I'll be presenting part 3D. Is about staffing requirements and costs related to staff salary, building costs, program material, and equipment. On staffing requirements, we have criminal reference check, vulnerable sector, first SCPRC, updated immunization record, experience and interest in gardening, horticulture, experience working with children ages 8 to 12 years. On staff salaries, we have $82,000. This includes both basic salary and benefits annually for each employee. On building costs, we have 23,015 cents, including tasks per hour, 4 meetings per month, 2 hours each for 5 months. We have total of $926 for room renting for 5 months, beginning from April to end of August 2020. On program material, we have total of $150 for $450 for 5 months of programming, and we have some materials here, which is small notepad, pencils, 1 large pack of markers, pencil crayons, garbage bag, brown yard compost bags, glue stickers, and also Bristol board paper, and also stickers. On equipment cost, we have one-time cost of $700, which we have listed here. A large shovel, spades, rakes. Also we have brooms, pairs of gardening gloves, wheelbarrows. Also, we have watering cans, varied books about horticulture, gardening, and nature. Also, we have t-shirts and tabs.
Hi there, my name is Melinda Goslin, and I will be talking about how flower power will be economically beneficial for the community. One way that it will be economically beneficial is by the impressive physical appearance of the city. People are more enticed to visit somewhere if it looks well taken care of. This would mean more people coming to buy houses and live, spend money at local businesses, and start new businesses as well. A visually appealing community increases property values, attracts businesses, and improves the neighborhood's image. Usually, the people that run establishments such as stores, churches, and schools pay somebody to come and take care of that sort of thing. The program coordinators will make a deal with these people. All they must do is pay a certain amount of money to the program, which will depend on how large the space is, to help with supplies and program costs. This money would also go towards staffing and location rental costs. The work would be free and voluntary. This would be a lot less expensive than having to pay for the labor from a professional company, and this deal would put money back in the pockets of those local businesses and establishments as well. Thank you so much for listening to our pitch on our program. We think that it would be so beneficial for the community and that youth would have a chance to feel valued and respected by adults in their community.